Here's a question. We need to determine the concentration of chloride ions when I mix solutions A and B. Let's see what A has. So solution A, it's sodium chloride. So when I put that in water, let me write my dissociation equation. So if that's a solid and I put it in water, it'll form sodium ions and it'll form chloride ions. Okay, and they say I've got 3 liters total of that. That's its volume. And the concentration is 3.39 moles per liter. That's my concentration. And then I have a solution B, but I notice in B, that's the AgNO3 one, the silver nitrate, there's no chloride ions. So it really doesn't matter what the volume or the concentration are there. I don't need to figure out what my solute is, and that's what I'm going for, is how much solute do I have. I don't need to figure that out. I will need to use this volume because things are being diluted, and so I will need to know that volume. Okay, so let's figure this out. So I have a formula, C equals N over V, and I'm wanting to determine moles of sodium chloride, because then I'll use that to find out how many moles of sodium ions there are. Oh, not sodium. They want chloride ions. I want to find out the moles of that. So let's do that. N is equal to C times V. So the concentration is 3.39 moles per liter times the volume is 3 liters. Cancel those out. So if I multiply that, I think 10.17 moles of sodium chloride. Now they're asking for the concentration of sodium ions. So let's figure out how many sodium ions there would be. So for every 1 sodium chloride, I get 1 sodium. And so if this is 10.17, then this also has to be, the moles of that has to be 10.17. Oh, and I don't care about sodium. Boy, I keep forgetting that. This is the one I care about, but because it's 1 to 1, this will be exactly the same thing. 10.17 moles. So that's how much, if they're looking for concentration of chloride ions, that's how much solute I have. So if I want to determine now what the concentration of that is, then I'll just use this formula. Concentration is moles over volume. Moles I figured to be 10.17 moles of chloride ions, divided by, since they put both solutions together, I'll have to add their volumes. So I get 2 liters here and 3 liters there, so it'd be 5 liters. Okay, so 10.17 divided by 5, I'm going to get 2.034, I think, moles per liter. That'll be the concentration of chloride ions. And just for interest, because this is a 1 and that's a 1, the concentration of sodium ions will be exactly the same. Okay, 3 sig figs, so I should go 2.03 molar. I'm calling that one.